Welcome to Collaborative Inquiry for Students, Section 2, Part 2, Analyzing Collaborative Inquiry Design. In Section 1, you learn the Collaborative Inquiry Design components. In this section, we introduce the questions for life, levels of understanding, when designing collaborative inquiry. Next, we will examine the design strategies that are evident in the investigation of the MOBIS strip experience you just completed. Please locate page 72, Analyzing Collaborative Inquiry Design. Remove the 21st Century Skills card from your course folder and let's review what you are to do. As a group, you will discuss and list on page 72 the mind skills from pages 39 through 44, as well as the learning and innovation skills and the life and career skills evident in the investigation of the MOBIS strip experience. Next, you will use page 73 Collaborative Inquiry Design components and highlight the components evident in the investigation of the MOBIS strip experience. Finally, use page 74 Questions for Life, Levels of Understanding and highlight the thinking skills evident in the investigation of the MOBIS strip. Highlight the main thinking skills, analysis, prediction, and so forth, rather than the keywords. What insights did you have regarding the design of collaborative inquiry? Can you see how collaborative inquiry prepares minds for the future and develops the skills students need? Can you see the depth of knowledge that comes from the inquiry experience? Working collaboratively could be fun for some students and challenging for others. You may have liked the choice and open-ended nature of the experiences. What mind skills and 21st century skills did you list? For mind skills, maybe you wrote down disciplined mind or respectful mind. Learning and innovation skills. Perhaps you jotted down creativity, critical thinking, problem solving, communicating, and collaborating. For the life and learning skills, life and career skills, maybe you wrote down leadership, initiative, self-direction, responsibility, productivity, accountability, flexibility, and social and cross-cultural skills. What collaborative inquiry design components did you highlight? For collaboration, the first 4 components are evident. For inquiry, all components are evident except for interdisciplinary and outside research. Although students can research the MOBIS strip prior to the experience, as participants had the option of doing. Process. All components are evident. There was some choice in rotation of roles and technology was brought in through the video. Skills. All 4 components are evident. See the listing above. Products. The first 2 components are evident. The outcomes are basically fixed. Assessment. Assessments are shown on the template. Which questions for life did you highlight? In Level 1, perhaps you highlighted perception, induction, analysis, same different. Level 2, perhaps you had insight and evaluation. Level 3, perhaps you had idea, prediction, or action. Remember, each experience does not have to contain all of the design components or skills, but the more components you incorporate, the better. Also, remember that additional design components like research outside of the classroom and technology can be easily added to a classroom experience. The way you design a collaborative inquiry experience can bring depth of knowledge, all 3 levels of understanding, and real-world skills to the task. Both the collaborative inquiry design components and the questions for life, levels of understanding will help you design meaningful and effective collaborative inquiry experiences for your students. This concludes Analyzing Collaborative Inquiry Design. Please continue to Modules Section 2, Part 2, Discover Compelling Whys, EduQuest 1.